Hi, this is Vishnu. I'm from Bennett University in the Department of Computer Science Engineering. As a part of our semester project, me and my teammate went to some small scale industries and asked them about the problems which are facing by them till now. So, among all the problems set by them, me and my teammate selected some particular problems which are faced at the main gate system. So, there are two problems faced by them. First problem is the security guard is maintaining the record of all the incoming and outgoing vehicles of the industry in a register. So, if the register was lost, it's a big problem that should face by the industry. And the second one is to write all the vehicle details. Every vehicle should stand in front of the main gate of the industry. So, there is a traffic jam occurred in the industry. Keeping all these points in mind, me and my teammate planned to make an automatic number plate recognition system. This is also called as ANPR. In this can be used to store the images captured by the cameras as well as the text from the license plate, and it stores all the data into the database which is secure. This is the specialty in this was it is more accurate compared to the other things, and this decreases the man work, and this will not do any kind of mistakes.
Hey guys, this is Akshay, and some of the basic features of our project are it has one of the best accuracies, where it is trained for 4 months, and where it reduces the human efforts, and it is basically user friendly project. And for the setup of this project in a real life or a real world, we need a computer, a camera, and electricity to run this project. And coming to the technical stuff, we used Python language, OpenCV for the detection, and had Cascade classifier. For storing of the data, we used MySQL database. And again, coming to storage of the data, we give topmost priority to our privacy so that anybody cannot replace or change the data. And we are also trying to build a website so that which will be helpful for our users, like any multinational companies or any gated communities, so that we can store the data and cross check with the vehicle numbers. While doing this project, we faced lots of problems, so that we gained a lot of knowledge, and it also increased our experience in machine learning and AI. And now the demo part.
Coming to the demo part, first I'm gonna implement this project. See, the number plate has been detected. Also, the time and date is also printed in the output panel, and this is the image of the number plate that is captured by the camera. Now, coming to the database. The number plate has been recognized and printed along with the date and time in the database. So this is the demo. The techniques which are utilized in a project can also be utilized for many other projects like car parking allotment system, class attendance system, and also traffic signals. So the thing is exploring. By exploring, we can do many other projects using OpenCV and Python.
So please try to use the technology in a good way.
Coming to the difficulties part, there are three main difficulties that were faced by me and my team during this project. They are, the first one is we are the students from second year and we are unaware of all the machine learning and OpenCV projects, and we have very less time to do this project. And the second one is we are unable to find all the pre-trained classifiers which were used to detect the number plate. So it been a difficult part in searching that. And the third one is initially we were unable to extract the text from the image. It's been the hardest part among these three.
To resolve these problems, we conducted meetings in every week until the project is done, and we learned some basic concepts and some advanced concepts which would be helpful to complete our project.